Kid Craze cartoon.
Beneath the willows, gentle shade, for about neighbors are not afraid. Beneath the willows, gentle shade, feathers flutter, a song takes flight. Two creatures in a fleeting dance. The rabbit house, the bird takes wing. A silent conversation, a tranquil spray through the boats on light. They explore nature's wonders to others and fur. A contrast sweet in this symphony when worlds meet, feathers and fur. The rabbit buzzes, ears erect. The robin sings a soft dialect, a moment shedding quiet grace in nature's ever-changing embrace. A moment shared in quiet grace in nature's ever-changing embrace. Together they weave a tale untold, a friendship formed, a bond to hold. In this realm where earth and sky converge, or a bird and a bird are closer. In this realm where earth and sky converge, or a bird and a bird are closer.